You hear it every year, carolers all over the world singing the wonderful song of Jingle Bells. But how wonderful is this song? I'm now going to tell you a few facts about Jingle Bells. It was originally called the One-Horse Open Sleigh, and according to the book Boston Curiosities, the song was inspired by one-horse open sleigh races in Massachusetts that occurred in the 1850s. The song was written by James Lord Pierpont. Now let's take a look at the second lyric. A day or two ago, I thought I took a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and we all got upset. Now I want you to think about this for a second. Alexander Fleming invented penicillin shortly after the First World War. Modern surgical techniques were invented during the Civil War. This song takes place before both events. Think about that for a second. Okay? Now then, as we all know, infections don't enter your body while you are outside in the cold and snow. They enter your body while you are inside buildings. The bitter cold temperatures and dehydration due to the lack of moisture in the atmosphere lower your immune system. This leaves you vulnerable to viruses and bacteria. So what happens when you ride in a one-horse open sleigh in the bitter cold temperatures? You not only encounter temperature, but you also encounter wind chill. This is due to the outside winds and the velocity of the sleigh. So is it really fun to ride in a one-horse open sleigh? Think about it. Now let's consider the horse pulling the sleigh. He also feels the effects of the bitter cold temperatures and the wind chill. That means he gets frostbite. That means he's prone to infections now. But he also encounters other hazards. Think about this for a second. Remember, he is the one pulling the sleigh. He has to deal with the hidden rugged conditions. After all, the snow and ice have buried the rugged terrain. He could break a leg. He could break more than one leg. He could get seriously injured. Now let's not forget the fact that modern weather forecasting hasn't been invented yet. They're just getting to work on that one. So a sudden snowstorm could put a damper on your sleigh ride really fast. Would you really want to race your one-horse open sleigh in that kind of a situation? I don't think so. So is Jingle Bells really a wonderful song? Well, if you think about all those factors, maybe not. But a lot of people singing this song never consider any of this. Maybe they should. You know, there's a lot of Christmas songs out there, and they really are wonderful. This just doesn't seem wonderful to me. And now you can see kind of the reason why I would say that. Well, anyway, I do hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and maybe you'll sing songs that are a little more appropriate to the Christmas season, like O Little Town of Bethlehem. Now that's a wonderful song. This, not so much. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video, so I want you to stay tuned.